Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by prepping the composition and media so nothing breaks. Open your project, save a backup, and find the clip in the timeline or project panel. Then import the replacement footage that matches frame rate and resolution. This avoids time remapping or retiming later. Once done, note layer in /out points and any applied effects or masks on the original so you can reapply them. Make sure to enable view of source timecode to confirm exact timing before you swap anything. You perform the actual replacement with replace footage to preserve layer links and keyframes. Select the layer in the timeline, right-click and choose Replace Footage File, then pick the clip you imported. After replacement, check Interpret Footage to ensure frame rate and pixel aspect match. This keeps animation timing intact. Once replaced, copy any layer-specific effects, masks, or time remapping from the original if they didn't transfer. If your layer uses expressions, verify they still reference correct source properties. You finish by validating visuals and resolving common issues. RAM preview the composition, watch motion blur, color match, and timing across cuts. Adjust transform properties like position or scale if framing shifted. If timing is off, use time stretch or interpret footage to match duration. When expressions break after replacement, relink layers or replace broken references with value at time calls. This restores dynamic relationships. If things still go wrong, revert to the backup and step through.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.